Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see old Google Maps street views. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC or your mobile phone. Then, navigate to Google Maps. So after searching for Google Maps, click on Google Maps link. It will open up Google Maps on your PC. Now, you'll have to click on the Search Google Maps option and search for a place. For example, I'm searching for Texas, USA. Now what I'll have to do is simply click on this small street view icon, that is Browse Street View Images button. When I click on this button, it will show up the places where I can view the street easily. So I will, for example, scroll here and I will randomly put my street view pointer. So I will put it here. Now, after choosing the location that you want to see the street view of, you will see that location's street view pretty easily. As you can see, I'm able to easily navigate here also. Now, as you can see, if I would want to see the old Google Maps street view for this street, I will have to simply click on See More Dates button. And also, for the current street view, you will see the date appearing just right here. So click on See More Dates. And when you click on this small blue text that said See More Dates, you will see the timeline for this street view. As you can see, the current street view is for March 2019 and we have the street view available for the year and month January 2008, March 2011, July 2013, January 2015, May 2016, March 2019 and February 2022. So you can choose any timeline that you want to view the street view for. For example, I will choose Feb 2022. As you can see, in February 2022, this place or street looked something like this. When I click on March 2019, it will show up the exact street view for this date. This one is for May 2016. This one is for January 2015. This is July 2013. This is March 2011. And this is January 2008. That is the oldest street view for this specific street. You can also navigate to other place by placing your pointer or marker. For example, I will navigate here. I'll have to click on See More Dates button. So we have all these dates for the street view of this specific place. So make sure you search for a place that you want to see the street view for, then click on the See Latest Date button or See More Dates button. Also, some places don't have a street view timeline available, so you won't be able to view the street views for that specific place. So that is a simple way through which you can see the old Google Maps street views. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.